Hello one and all, it's time to share the remaining part of geometrical progression today. So just starting from geometrical progression, we know that AR square and dot, this is the geometric progression whose nth term is given by AR n minus 1. This is the nth term. If here is n minus 1, ek come. On the basis of this, we can write firstly T10, AR9, T9, AR8, T4, AR3. एक कम 9 है तो यहाँ 8 होगा, 4 है तो 3 होगा. So on the basis of this formula, we can write the first all these terms, which will help us later. So which term of this is 5120? You are not knowing which term, so let Tn is equal to nth term is 5120. Here A is equal to 5, and in order to find out the common ratio, we take T2 by T1, latter by former. So this is 2. Now ARn minus 1 is equal to 5120. Which term? Nth term. The term is not given, so nth term is the general term. So put in this A is equal to 5, 2 to the power n minus 1, R is equal to 2, 5120. This 5 will cancel this, and 1024 came. 1024 when factorized, we get 2 to the power 10. Factorize this and get 2 to the power 10. Now bases are same and dices are equal. So 2 same, so n minus 1 must be equal to 10, so n is equal to 11. The answer is successful. Now moving towards another problem. Another problem is the fourth and the ninth term are 54 and 13122. So fourth term T4. Fourth term is AR3. AR3 is equal to 54, and ninth term is AR8 is equal to 13122. 13122. Now divide 2 by 1. अगर 2 को 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे, a कट जाएगा और ये भी कट जाएगा, add to the power 5 times. So this gives add to the power 5, and this is cancelled by 2, 4, 3. When 2, 4, 3 is factorized, we get 3 to the power 5. Now again, when indices are same, bases must be same. So R is equal to 3. If R is equal to 3, we can put in 1 to get A. From 1, A, R to the power 3, R is 3. So 3 to the power 3 is equal to 54. So A is equal to 2. This is 27 by 54, 2. Now if R is ready to us, A is ready to us, we can write GP. So GP is AR square, and so on. Put 2, after that 2 into R3, then 2 into R square, 3 square, and so on. So we get the GP. So this is 2, 6, 18, and so on. So our GP is ready. This is the answer. Now moving towards another problem. Let us see. This is fifth number problem. If 4th, 7th and 10th term, fifth number, if 4th, 7th, 10th term of GP are ABC, prove that B square is equal to AC. Now again the 4th term, 7th term and 10th term. The 7th term on the basis of this formula Tn is equal to AR6. 7th term is AR6. Now according to question, the solution is being given. According to question, the 4th term AR3. AR3 is equal to A. The 4th term is A, 7th term is B. So AR6 is equal to B, and 10th term is AR 9 is equal to C. Now we have to prove that B square is equal to AC. So starting from LHS, B square. LHS is B square. Put the value of B. So this is AR6. AR6 का whole square. So this becomes A square R to the power 12. This is your LHS. Now moving towards RHS. RHS is AC. Put the value of A, AR cube, and then C, AR9. When this is multiplied, A square R to the power 12. So this is second from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS proved. From 1 to LHS is equal to RHS. Now we move towards another problem. Let us move towards another problem. This is problem number 6. If the first and the nth term are A and B, 6th number, if first and nth term are A, B, then and the P is the product of first n terms. T is the product of first n terms. We have to show that P square is equal to AB to the power n. Now see, the first term is A, so the geometric progression, this is of GP. So the geometric progression may start with a small a. Let A, AR square and so on is GP. इसको हम लोग GP मान लिए. After that, the nth term is given by B. So given B is equal to nth term Tn, and the Tn, the formula for Tn for GP is ARn minus 1. So finally, this is B is equal to AR n minus 1. Now one more thing we need. A is already first term, B we have got. Now P we need. P is the product of first n terms. So also P is equal to product of first n terms is AR square dot AR n minus 1. Because the first n terms, the nth terms will be AR n minus 1 is GP. So the product of all terms is symbolized by capital P. Now just multiply, n terms are there, so A to the power n. After that R to the power 1 plus 2 plus n minus 1. This is in AP, arithmetic progression. And you must be knowing that 1 plus 2 plus n minus 1 is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. This must be remembered by you. You can add this by the fastest formula I have discussed already. So, and you know from class 10 how this is added. The number of term is n minus 1. So then, after that we get a to the power n. R to the power n into n minus 1 by 2. Now we move towards our proof, the LHS. LHS is P square. Put the value of P, A to the power n, R to the power n into n minus 1 by 2, and this is whole square. Due to this whole square, when this whole square will reach here, this becomes A to the power 2n, and when it will reach here, the 2 power will be cancelled. So R to the power n into n minus 1. So this is your LHS. Now moving towards RHS. Our RHS is AB to the power n, AB to the power n. Now putting the value of A is already A. Now putting the value of B, A R n minus 1 to the power n. So this is A into A square r to the power n minus 1 whole to the power n. Now this power will go to A, this becomes A to the power 2n and r to the power n into n minus 1. So this is your second, from 1 and 2, the proof is successful. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS proof. This is very important problem. Now moving towards another problem. This is problem number 7. If m plus 1th, m minus 1th term of GP are P and Q, PQ, so that the mth and nth terms are, so mth and nth term are root PQ, and here this is P times Q by P whole to the power m by 2n. Now see this problem, let the GP is AR square is GP, and we already know that Tn is equal to AR n minus 1. So m plus nth term Tm plus n is equal to AR m plus n minus 1 and Tm minus n AR m minus n minus 1. So I am going to write this. So given the solution is being started, given this m plus nth term AR m plus n minus 1, this is P, and AR m minus n minus 1 is equal to Q. Now we have to show that mth term is root PQ. To show mth term is AR m minus 1 is equal to root PQ. First, it has to be shown. So starting from RHS better. So starting from RHS, this is root PQ. Put the value of P and Q you have got. This is P and this is Q. So AR m plus n minus 1 into AR m minus n minus 1. Now simplify this. A square r to the power m plus n minus 1 plus m minus n minus 1. Now see what happens. A square r to the power. Now this n is cancelled with this n and this minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 and m 2m. So 2 common m minus 1. आफ्टर दैट दो ठो ए है, इसमें से एक ए बाहर और दो ठो r to the power m minus 1 twice. So this will be simply r to the power m minus 1 and this is your r to the power m minus 1. So this is your LHS proved. So the first part is proved successfully. In the mth term is root PQ. So starting from RHS we have got LHS. Now moving towards the second part. Again P and Q are given. So to show second. This is the second part. To show nth term AR n minus 1 is equal to P times Q by P to the power m by 2n. Now again starting from RHS. P times, put the value of P is this. P times Q by P to the power m by 2n. So put the value of P, AR M plus N minus 1, AR M plus N minus 1. After that, Q by P, Q is AR M minus N minus 1 by again P, AR M plus N minus 1 whole to the power M by 2N. So this is AR M plus N minus 1 into AA cancelled. When R will, these powers will go upside, the sign will be changed. So M minus N minus 1 minus M minus N plus 1. So what cancellation is there? 1 1 cancelled and whole to the power also, whole to the power M by 2N. This power should also be written according to RHS. Now this MM also cancelled. We are left with minus 2N to the power M by 2N. So this is AR M plus N minus 1 into R to the power minus 2N into M by 2N. So this 2N cancelled. So A R to the power M plus N minus 1. And this power after cancellation of 2N and 2 also minus M. So write minus M. So this is cancelled. So we are left with AR N minus 1. And this is the LHS ARN minus 1. So this is ARN minus 1. So this is your LHS. The proof is successful. Now again moving towards 8th number question. PH, QH, RS term are ABC. 8th. If PH, QH, RS term of a GP are ABC, prove that A to the power Q minus R, B to the power R minus P, C to the power P minus Q is equal to 1. Now the PH term is A, so you will never start the GP by AR, because PH term is A, so let the new consideration, let GP is capital AR square, but R is also RS term, so never keep it as R. दोनों R collapse कर जाएगा, so better to take this is GP. Now according to question, the PH term, we know that the TN for this is AR N minus 1. So the PH term is A. PH term is A. So according to question, A is equal to PH term AR P minus 1. B is equal to QH term. QH term, so AR Q minus 1, and C is equal to RS term, so AR R minus 1. Now moving towards LHS. A Q minus R into B, R minus P into C, P minus Q. Now put the value of ABC, the value of ABC are ready to us. AR P minus 1 whole to the power Q minus R into B is AR Q minus 1 whole to the power R minus P into C is AR R minus 1 whole to the power P minus Q. When simplified, we get 1. When simplified, we get 1. It is left one line. I am going to announce A to the power Q minus R to the power P minus 1 into Q minus R into a to the power q minus 1 r to the power q minus 1 into r minus p into a to the power p minus q. Now the powers of a, when the powers of a are added, q minus r plus this is q minus r, yes, q minus r, and this is a to the power, yes, b to the power r minus p, b to the power, this is r minus p. Unfortunately it has been written wrongly, so r minus p plus then p minus q, and similarly r to the power, so all are cancelled, so we are left with a to the power 0 into r to the power 0, so 1 into 1 is 1. So thank you very much, students. In another video I will discuss more questions. Thank you.